Hi, welcome to Counseling 130, Career Exploration and Life Planning. I'm your instructor. My name is Kristen Perrone. I'm also a counselor at College of Marin. In this class, we are also lucky enough to have a graduate student intern who is completing his graduate program at San Francisco State. His name is Carl Freshy, and he will also be available to answer questions about the class. The best way to contact either myself or Carl is via the Canvas inbox. Please use that to communicate with us instead of our regular emails. It helps us stay organized with who's in our courses and who is not in our classes. That being said, I also work as a counselor at College of Marin, and so I can meet with you all individually to talk about your specific individual goals, and that will continue beyond this class. So I love to continue working with students that I met in my class and watch you succeed and achieve the goals that you set for yourself starting in this class. I know that this has been a particularly challenging year for all of us. It's been hard for me, and I can't imagine doing this while being in college. So hats off to you. If no one has told you yet how incredibly resilient you are and how proud you should be of yourself for not just being in this class, but continuing to take classes and be successful. I want to let you know that part of my work in this class is to support your work. So as you support yourselves and go through the coursework, if there's anything that you need support with or help with, please don't hesitate to reach out. Both myself and the college will try to support you and help you finish the course in the semester. If there is anything that happens outside of class that is inhibiting or getting in your way of completing the coursework, again, feel free to reach out sooner rather than later so that we can get you on track and create a success plan for you. So this class is a traditional online class, which means there are no live course Zoom sessions. So you will not be required to be on the computer at any one particular time. I do ask that you log in to the class at least 2 to 3 times each week in order to complete the coursework and adhere to our deadlines. So even though you don't have to be on the computer at a specific time, we are going to work with weekly deadlines. So it will always be Wednesday and Sunday in which you have coursework that you need to submit, assignments, discussion board, quizzes, all that good stuff every week. Now the course is broken up to 3 different segments. The first segment of the class, we focus on personal self-exploration. And in that part of the class, we are going to have you reflect on different various parts of yourself. So things like, what is important to me? What are your values? What are you good at? What are your interests? You're going to be completing a number of assessments that will hopefully help you identify a specific career goal, maybe a major, as we move through that first section of the class. In the middle section of the course, this is where we're going to look at required documents for career and employment. So you will have a resume that you will work on, a cover letter. You will actually conduct an informational interview with someone out in the community that works in a field that you're interested in. And then in the final part of the class, that's the research piece, and you will be researching a specific career of your choice. That's the culminating project for the class that you will submit as your final. All these details we will have in the Canvas page, and if you ever have questions, you can reach out to myself, Carl. There also is a Q&A discussion board that's pinned. You'll see a quick link to it on this main page, and you can always ask questions on the discussion board as well. Now, as we go through the course, some students get into this course really with the idea that they are going to get the answer to what they should do for the rest of their lives. And some students do find that answer through this semester-long course. But others, it's really just the beginning of the exploration journey and the tip of the iceberg, like scratching the surface of career exploration. the nice thing about doing the work and trusting the process, I really encourage you to just trust the process of the course and the sequence in which we move through things, and go into it knowing that at the end of the course, you will have the tools that you need to continue this process and to continue looking. Because the reality is there are probably a lot of different career fields that you would be happy doing. But we want to make sure that you're choosing a good fit, both that will make you happy, but improve the quality of your life by paying you a living wage, hopefully more than a living wage, so that you can do the things that you want to do in your life. So that being said, I am really excited to work with you this semester. This is my favorite class to teach. I really enjoy getting to know students through the class and meeting with you individually over the course of the semester. So here's to a spring 2021 and the possibility of seeing each other face to face in the coming semesters as you continue your time at College of Marin. And good luck, and I look forward to working with you this semester.